Hello folks, and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to introduce you to my grill if you haven't seen any of my grilling videos. I have a Weber Spirit. Now what I've done is got the cast iron grates in it. What I have done is I ordered a set of the GrillGrates a couple 3 months back. I love them. I didn't clean them the last time, as you can tell, after I used it, so that was what I was fixing to do. But one of the representatives from the GrillGrates company, manufacturer, had saw my video and dropped a comment on YouTube about it. And he's like, "Hey buddy, we like your video, but we noticed that you have the wrong set of grates for your grill." And when I ordered these, I knew this. I knew they were too small. I took measurements. I was just didn't want to put out a whole lot of money till I seen if I liked them, and turns out I love the product. Great product. So he's like, "Let me help you out a little bit." So after some discussion, we reached an agreement, and I got a new set in the mail. He's seen the brand of my grill and the size. They knew just what I needed. So I want to go ahead and get this box open. We're going to test fit these now. Supposedly, and I'll find out in a minute, I can take the cast iron grates, which I currently have flipped upside down. I can take those out. So let me pause the camera for just a minute, get this box opened up, and see what everything looks like. So this is what we got in the box. We've got the grates, which I've yet to unwrap. Got a new spatula, and the representative I was talking to wrote me a personal letter, a little note stuck in there, so I really appreciate that. Shout out to that company. Look them up, they're great. I'll go ahead and get these unwrapped. Give me just a second. Right there they are, folks. They're installed. Perfect fit. I took the factory cast iron grates out, which I will be holding on to because cast iron is awesome. These are a perfect fit. Right down in there. If anybody has not ever seen or used these, I'm going to put a link to the description. To the website down in the description, I'm sorry. These things here, the way they work, when you go to flip the steak, you put this right down in here, and you pick it up, do what you need to do. These let you get some awesome grill marks. I'll put a link to some other videos up there in the corner, right up there somewhere. You'll be able to see, and as well as at the end of the video. Check them out. We're going to get these things all, I'll finish putting everything together here, and we'll get them all heated up here after a while and throw some steaks on. Get some actual grilling video. So, big shout out to GrillGrates. Thank you. We'll be right back with some steaks. Alright, before we go in and get these steaks prepped up and ready to throw on this thing, we're going to go ahead and light this grill. Let these grill grates heat up and burn in. They're new, they're clean. We'll make sure they're all cleaned off and none of the shipping material is left on. And we'll get them heated up and let them warm, get the grill up to temperature. That way when we come out, we're ready to get to grilling. Let's go ahead and light this thing here. Turn these on. There's one side. And yeah. Make sure we're going. Alright, we're going. We're going to shut the lid, let this thing heat up to temperature. Let's go in and get the meat ready. Well, here's our steak we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing 8 New York strips. Now, I've learned from my other videos, I've got some people on there that don't like New York strip, and some that does. Personally, I do, so that's what we're going to do. We've done some ribeye and some other things, but this time it's going to be 8 of these thick-cut New York strips. As you can tell, I've got the trusty Cosmos SPG. This video is not going to be so much about the meat and how to cook the meat and how I do it and what have you. I wanted to showcase the new GrillGrates, which you saw earlier in the video. Throw a plug in for them. I'm going to go ahead and get these seasoned though and get them up, get them ready. See if we can't get them on the grill. We're going to get these up to probably about 120 degrees. We'd like a medium. About a medium. We got 1 or 2 of them. They've asked to be medium well or a little more, so we'll lay them over to one side. But we're going for about 120 and pull them off and let them rest on these. These are a little thicker cut, so let's get them seasoned up. And folks, I've never attempted to grill 8 of these things at one time, so this is a whole new challenge in itself. Shouldn't be any difference in fixing 1 or 2, but you know, trying to keep up with 8 of them, make sure you get them right. Let's add a little bit of this SPG on them. Like I said, we got a couple of them that don't want hardly as much seasoning, so we're gonna go a little lighter on those 2 right there. Get any to come out. Okay, we'll go a little lighter on that. I'm gonna get these flipped over. Hold on just a second. Well, like I say, I want to go ahead and throw out an apology in advance for the ones that don't like the New York strip. It's one of my favorite cuts, even though it's probably not the best cut of meat in the entire set that you can get, but I like it. That's what we're going to do with the SPG rub. I got one more thing we're going to add to it. Like I said, this video ain't as much about the steaks as it is the new grill grates. So we're going to get these on the grill, and let's go do that. All right, there it is, folks. Maiden voyage on the new grill grates. We've got them all on here. Let's get them mashed down real good. We're going to put some real nice grill marks on these steaks. We're going to go for about 6 minutes per side. Get these things up to about 120 degrees and pull them off. We're not going to wait that long before we flip them, but that's going to be the overall temperature we're shooting for. Let's go ahead and get the lid closed and let them sit there about 6 minutes. Alright, we done give them their 6 minutes on the first side, got it all set up. Now we've turned them over. Going to give them their 5 to 6 minutes on this side to get them up to that 120 degree mark we was looking for. Looks like these things are going to be pretty good. Be right back with you. Well, there it is. Maiden voyage on the new, correct, made to fit grill grates for the Weber Spirit. Now I'm going to let these cool off just a little bit. This aluminum, I ain't going to say it's self-cleaning, but all I got to have is this brush right here. Once these cool off, rub back and forth at like a 45 degree angle. That stuff chips right off of it. Now the stuff down the grooves is a little harder. I'm fixing to get a paper towel or something and wipe it out a little bit. They don't have to be clean. Look at a lot of these guys. It's like they supposedly season. You don't have to clean them as much, but I like to keep them a little cleaner. My other ones you saw there on the other videos, they got a little nasty. I neglected a little bit because I knew I was going to try to get another set. But anyway, love them. Remember, there'll be a link down there. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. I'm hungry. I'm going to go eat some steak. Have a good day. God bless.